Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video with myself, Sarah Lean. Now, if you've ever been involved with Unix systems, you'll have come across the text editor Vim. Now, Vim is a powerful text editor that can be quite useful when interacting with Unix systems, but it can also be massively frustrating to exit those Vim systems. So what I want to do in today's video is show you 5 different ways that you can actually exit Vim. So let's dive in and show you those 5 ways. So I want to enter Vim first of all here, so I type in Vim and then I hit the I key on my keyboard, which puts me into insert mode, and I can write into this file. Now I want to exit this file, so I have to hit escape so that I go into the command line version or option within Vim so that I can then control what happens. So first of all, I do colon and then I do Q. But I get an error because my buffer, my file has changed since I entered it and is now asking me what I want to do. Basically, it's trying to stop you from leaving your file unsaved, potentially causing you more issues here. So what I then have to do is do colon, Q, and then exclamation mark, and that allows me to quit the file without saving any changes to it. So if we go back into Vim and I do insert again and type in something into this file, I then hit escape again so that I can exit the file, and I do colon WQ. Now that is for me to write and quit the file, but as you can see I've got an error message that says there's no file name. This is a brand new file without a file name, so in order to save it and then quit, I need to give it a file name. So what I do here is colon WQ and then put in a file name of what I want to call this file, and that saves it, quits it, and is there for me to get again. So if I do vim sarah.txt, the file is opened up again for me. So I've added in more details into this file. We can change the state of it and then want Vim to exit. So I hit escape and then I do colon and then X this time, and that just exits for me. It's kind of like WQ, so the changes have been saved. So this is an alternative to using colon WQ. You can do colon X. So if we go back into my file again, we can then insert some more information into this and change the state of the file. And to exit it, what I would do is hit escape, and then I would do colon X and then exclamation mark, and that again writes and quits it, and the exclamation mark forces that command to happen. So that's 5 ways to exit Vim. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and hopefully I'll catch you in another video. Cheers everybody!